There we go, welcome to this week's video. We are on our way, a part of the series, a 48-hour series. We're going to do 48 hours in Cape Verde. There's Stephen.
Hello.
Now Janice has moved away because I threatened to tell her the route, so she's booked the road behind us. As I always say, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Let's keep moving forward.
With a purpose.
Filming out the window.
Hello there, yes sir. What an enormous engine. To be we'll nearly see if I'm leap, so it should be a new aircraft. And I just whacked a bit of a crap off the windows because it's all finger marks all over it. So I think that's why it sits here with an Austrian registration, OE-LQM. Do it filming, and that's how we have a go doing a commentary. So yes. Okay.
There we go, just before we get to departure. Now there's Stephen, quite excited now. This is
Battery fully charged, yeah.
well, nearly.
Yeah.
This is a point where Janice loves. This is her favourite part. The route. So
The route.
we're going to be departing from runway 26 left, then climbing out, and then swooshing to the left. Remember the swoosh? Heading towards Southampton, then going over to Jersey. Then we're going to be flying up towards Lisbon, when we'll be then hitting the coastline of Morocco, which will be on our left-hand side. It's an exciting bit. Then going overhead the Canary Islands, and another hour and a half from there into Sal. 38,000 feet, do you reckon?
I'll be cruising altitude, yeah.
38 we'll go for.
Maybe 40.
Okay, we're compromised at 39 then.
1,000 feet.
Okay, that's the route. Pretty accurate.
So like James May. James May. I think I mentioned that before.
No, I need to find out if Janice wants to know. Do you want me to repeat the route to you? No, she doesn't want the route.
You're not bothered now. Here we go. Record. Do U-turn.
An old mine as well. That's it.
That's what I got. Two hands. When playing the piano, yeah. Left hand and right hand. That's fairly easier actually.
Yeah.
Bit of look at window frame in the way. The right hand there aches a bit.
That's it, angle there. That's it, perfect. Hold it there.
It's got wide angle lens. Just lean on the window frame rather than the seat. knots away. Okay, sounds like we're off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the start of a holiday to Sal, Cape Verde. Turning back now, pushing no return. Landing as well. Yeah. As long as my battery doesn't go flat.
We got the route pretty much right, didn't we? But we got the height wrong, didn't we? We said 39 and it's 35.
5,000 feet. Is that the selfie camera?
So 35. Well, we're going to wait for the tray table of shame, and then we're going to see how many items I can fit on this tray table in one go.
Okay.
He's broken.
Sandwich.
I think I've got mine.
Because I've had your bacon butty as well. Well, some of it. So still full of all that bacon butty. So that's some of yours as well. So still full of that. So.
Would you want to share my sandwich with me?
Yeah, here we are. Well, it's a bit hazy out there, but it's still got the engine. Looks like passing Tenerife. No idea where Mount Teddy is. It's a bit hazy. Well, I assume it's Tenerife anyway. Just assume. We're making an assumption. Assumption. It's Tenerife, yeah. But I can't see Mount Teddy. It's a bit hazy towards the horizon. Plus, we've got the engine as well. An announcement. Trying to sound like it's finished now, yeah.
And I can see a curve on the earth.
The
disproves myself.
curvature of the earth. It's still recording, yeah.
In an emergency, leave all bags on board.
We're landing
At
soon,
easyJet,
so
we're
I'm
committed to
handing over
reducing
charge
our environmental
to the landing
impact.
to Stephen.
We'll be asking you to place
You are in
recyclable
control.
waste in a separate bag as we collect rubbish from you.
I think you have control.
Here we go.
Two cameras.
Yeah, like I said, two hands, a bit higher up. Spoiler flaps. they do what they imply. They spoil the airflow over the wings. Spoil the airflow over wings for you. Spoil the flaps. That's about the main flap. I can't see a main flap from here. I think leading edge flaps are down. I think. So it's going to be bumpy now. See the sea. Yeah, I can see the sea between. I'm not sure. Between land and the sky. Both hands, yeah. Oh, that way. A bit shaky. Your turn next time. Oh, it's getting close now. I'm filming. Well, we are. That lying on the moon. I told you. That's why I didn't want to sit there. Sure. It's like landing on Mars. Mars. Landing on Mars. I come from Mars. Welcome to Mars. Perfect. Oh, military position. Precision. Military precision, yeah.
That's why I'm not sitting there.
Welcome to Mars. Hi.
I wasn't going to do my filming on that.
Hi. I come from Mars. The Martians. Martians.
No way I'm filming from that window. Enter gave you the seat.
It's steamed up. It's steamed up. Steam.
There's the new camera.
Got it now, yeah. Not turned around yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
Welcome.
Sal. The local time is approaching 25 past 2 in the afternoon. Electronic devices may now be used to enter calls, messages and interactive. Please keep your seatbelt.
There we go, I was just working out my video lengths and I've decided to sign off after the video now while we're in the apartment. So next week's video will be an apartment tour and a walk into town. Have a look around at the beach and stuff and maybe do an evening walk. And then the week after that will be around the island tour, then followed by the flight home. So it'll be 4 videos out this trip. Brilliant. As you can probably see a symbol up there. Please go and follow this guy here, Mr. Mikey T. He's one of my moderators. A big shout out to Mr. Paul Major. Thank you very much for watching. As I always say, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you don't like it, then give it a thumbs down. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Ant Barber. We will see you next week when we do the apartment tour and we do a walk into town. As I always say, please be kind, please be respectful in the comments. See you on the next video. Bye bye.